Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard shelters in Planet Zoo. First, navigate to the Construction tab in your game. Select basic wall pieces, like concrete or wood, to form the initial shape of your shelter. Think about the size and number of animals you need to accommodate. This foundational step is crucial for creating a sturdy and effective habitat element for your creatures. Now, let's build the structure. Carefully place your chosen wall pieces to create the desired enclosure. You can use the Advanced Move tool for precise adjustments. Once the walls are up, select a roof piece and position it to cover the top, protecting your animals from rain or sun. Remember to leave an opening for animals to enter and exit comfortably, perhaps a width of 2 meters for larger species. With the basic structure complete, it's time to add some flair. Use the material editor to change wall textures and colors, matching your habitat's theme. You can also use terrain tools to sculpt the ground around the shelter, making it look more natural. Don't forget to place enrichment items inside, like scratching posts or feeders, to keep your animals engaged and happy within their new space. Finally, let's optimize your hard shelter. Open the Animal Information panel to confirm the shelter rating is sufficient for your species. Ensure there are no obstructions preventing animals from entering or exiting. You might need to adjust the entrance height or width. A well-designed shelter contributes significantly to animal happiness and guest satisfaction, making your zoo a better place for everyone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.